Okay, so we got a little glimpse there. The home show still running till the weekend. It is starting to feel a little bit like spring outside, and designer Michelle Thompson is going to help us make it look like spring inside. And it's just a few things to freshen up.
Yes, and I'm so happy we are at this time of year because we all need it. And so why don't we start with some easy spring refresh decor. This season, anything that is woven or waved or scalloped or ruffled is going to be very, very big. I love it. It is so feminine and playful and fresh, and really easy ways to kind of bring that trend in are with dishware, or I love a lamp, or even if you don't need a full new lamp, a lamp shade is a really easy switch.
Okay, and I love this piece here because it could be anything. Like you could put fruit in there, you could put towels in there, or toilet paper, or anything.
And the great thing is none of these are too themey, where you know it's maybe like, let's say, a rabbit or something, where then you feel you have to swap it instantly.
Or it's pastel.
Yes, this has a lot of longevity, even into summer. You can keep it, you can shop your home, mix and match, so we love that.
I love doing that. Okay. Freshening up linens as well.
Yes, so textiles, this is a great time of year to use as a reminder to put in fresh towels, fresh sheets, nice lighter materials like a linen or a percale cotton, things like that. And why I love to do that is not only does the temperature call for it, it keeps things nice and fresh in your home, and it gives longevity to all your sets. If you're not using the same things all year long, you're gonna get more use out of them.
Yes.
So bring in some nice fresh ones for spring. Your guests will thank you. You will have a nice little everyday luxury. And we were chatting before we came on, Annette, and this is a great Canadian company. I'll just call out, and it's Silk and Snow, and they have such amazing pieces, and they're all Oikotex certified, nice, clean things, no off-gassing or chemicals, really beautiful quality.
Okay, and these are Turkish towels, so
they are
really fancy.
Yes,
I like
so
that.
Nice.
Okay, and you fooled me with the flowers that you brought in, because I'm like, where did she get these in season right now? Because they're in water.
Yes, so that is actually one of my tips. Of course, we all love bringing in florals for spring, and fresh is beautiful. These guys are fresh.
Yeah, but tulips are fresh.
Yes, but if you are doing a faux, I say treat them like you would your real flowers. So that is, trim them to the right height of your vessel, fluff them up, make them look nice and full, play with the leaves a bit, and then add a little bit of water to the bottom. It really gives that illusion where, like you said, it's kind of sneaky, where people are gonna be like, are those, aren't those? And if you're laying out a full tablescape or a longer kind of area and you have both varieties in there, it's gonna really look real.
Okay, and then kind of save your money on the fresh things as well.
Yeah, or even if you're looking to do a super big arrangement and you're like, okay, you know what, I already have some tulips on hand, but let me just add in some of my faux greenery that I already have, make it look larger, right? A little bit more statement.
Okay,
yeah.
We've got about a minute left. What's the number one thing that you love to do to kind of transition from like winter into the spring?
Oh, honestly, I am like the swap out your linens kind of gal. I just love like that romanticizing the everyday, and honestly, putting in a fresh towel, you're like, oh wait, this is so nice and plush and fresh, or like, again, the lighter sheets just to give you comfort every day. That's kind of where I fall. And of course, like all the nice decorative stuff.
I love it though. There's always that one week, the first week, where it's kind of like, oh, we should have kept the flannel on.
That's right?
This week,
I feel like right now.
So.
But next week we're ready for it.
Okay, we'll get all of your socials up linked on our website at chch.com/morninglive, and Brian's forecast, his spring-like forecast, will be coming up soon as well. Even do it with your dish towels. What a great idea.
Yes.